Imagine a shepherd standing on a grassy hill, gently watching over his flock. Each sheep is precious to him. He guides them, protects them, and ensures they're safe. This image is at the heart of one of the most beloved passages in the Bible, Psalm 23. It begins like this: "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." These words remind us that just as a shepherd meets every need of his sheep, God meets our needs. Whether it's food, shelter, or peace of mind, He provides. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. Picture those green pastures and calm waters. It's a promise of rest and restoration. Life can be overwhelming, but God leads us to moments of peace when we trust Him. "Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me." Dark valleys represent our struggles and fears. But this verse reminds us we're never alone. God's presence is like a comforting light in the darkness, guiding us through. "Your rod and your staff, they comfort me." A shepherd's tools protect and guide. Similarly, God's guidance and discipline keep us safe and on the right path, even when we don't understand it. "You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies." This shows God's abundant blessings even when life feels uncertain or challenging. He provides for us, even in the face of trouble. "You anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows." This image speaks of God's blessings pouring into our lives, more than we can imagine or contain. "Surely goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life." No matter where we go, God's love is like a faithful companion, always by our side. "And I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever." This final line reminds us of the hope and joy of being with God eternally, a place where we are fully loved and fully known. The Lord is our shepherd. Let's trust Him to lead us. So, whenever life feels tough or uncertain, remember, you have a shepherd who cares for you deeply, guiding you every step of the way. Trust Him, and you'll find peace beyond understanding.